Good afternoon to all. My name is Rodolfo Reygada. I'm the Development Director of VORTEX Wave Power. It's a new technology from a binational initiative from Argentina and Chile. And this is going to be our first international presentation. It is a just born technology. So, it is known that the world energy consumption will increase in next decades. On the other hand, there is an important source of energy of around 32 petawatts hour per year, something like 2 times the entire world energy productions is there available in our seas and oceans. And of course, some markets of hundreds of billions. After 40 years of developments in the sector, several experiences with important improvements in the engineering, materials, mooring systems, projects in the marine energy environment have been conducted. However, up to now, there are not yet dominant technologies, at least in the first try. Most of the current technologies are based on only one principle. They capturing the kinetic fraction of the power of the waves or the potential fraction of the power of the waves in surface or in deep water. And most of the time, by using complex mechanisms, fluids, pressure systems, and sensitive submerged part, and at the end, the results are the conversion efficiencies are around 20% for the kinetic mechanisms or 55% for potential energy mechanisms. VORTEX wave power captures simultaneously both the kinetic and the potential energy of the wave in surface and in deep water. Water entering the structure from all directions, and then a powerful whirlpool is produced on its inside. And while water exits at the bottom of the structure, the next wave is already entering the structure. So it is induced a continuous uniform, high torque, and stable rotational motion that it is absorbed by the vertical turbine connected to external generator on the surface. First estimations indicate that VORTEX reaches conversion efficiencies of 28% for the kinetic fraction and 42% for the potential fraction of energy. It means that we are increasing by 20% and 40% the current efficiency simultaneously. Its design is flexible and can be deployed in megawatt scale in different wave climates. It is due to its capacity to compensate capturing between the mentioned 2 kinds of energy contained in the waves. So it is able to capture more of the available energy in more locations through a simpler mechanism. After 5 years of self-funded, independent researching, we have validated all concepts of conversion. And now we are starting the next stage of development, the systems engineering, simulations, and the deployment of a part-scale demo unit. Our core work team, is made up by different specialists in marine energy, projects, engineering, and design with international experience in the sector in different countries. In the first part of this second stage, we are searching funds by 200,000 pounds for technical system designs and 40,000 for completing the patent process worldwide, which is already protected worldwide. Then, in the second part, we estimate that will be required between £1 and £1.5 million for constructing and testing a demo unit in a specialized center. Results we expect are a full optimized design for different sea conditions, operations and maintenance strategies, and details for CapEx and OpEx for its scalability. We are convinced that we could find in this audience the financial support for seizing this new opportunity. We are open to find the best way to collaborate with each of the interested parties. Thank you very much for your time.